Hello, my friends, and welcome to Power Up Sessions, my series of quick 5-minute practices designed to boost your energy, focus the mind, and increase your overall productivity. In today's class, we're going to be doing a yogic breathing technique designed to really fill and expand the lungs, bring in more energy, more oxygen, dispel toxins and heavy energy, and of course, leave us feeling open and expansive. That's the idea. The practice we're going to be doing today is called the Maha Yoga Pranayama, or the full yogic breath. It's a 3-part breath where we utilize the full lung to its capacity. We're going to be breathing first into the belly, then into the chest, then we're going to lift the shoulders as we breathe all the way up into the collarbones. Okay, the idea is to fill the lungs as much as possible and then just relax without intention, just allowing the lungs to deflate. And we're going to continue this for 4 minutes. Okay, if this is new to you, you can even do it lying down. Regardless, I recommend you have one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, so you can feel the belly rise first, then the chest. Okay, before we do our breathing practice, we're going to do 3 ventilation breaths to purge the lungs. So sitting or lying down, take an inhalation through the nose, exhale forcefully through the mouth. Again, in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more, out through the mouth. Hand on the belly, hand on the chest. Inhale first, feel the belly rise. Then feel the chest rise. Then lift the shoulders as you fill the lungs as much as possible. Then relax through the nose. And repeat. Inhale to the belly, the chest. Lift the shoulders. Fill the lungs as much as possible. And relax through the nose. And continue to the belly, the chest, the shoulders. Relaxing. And continue with your own breath, your own pace. Try to make the filling of the 3 points fluid. So without stopping, just to the belly, chest, and shoulders. Taking in as much air as possible each time and allowing yourself to relax and fully deflate between each breath. If you're familiar with the 3 parts, you don't need to have the hands on the chest and belly anymore. Probably you can already start to feel the effect of taking in more energy, more oxygen, releasing those heavy, stagnant energies, feeling more expansive. Keep going, we're halfway through. 2 minutes remain. Make sure you're relaxed. Relax the legs, relax the muscles of the face. The only thing engaging is the shoulders as they lift up. Focusing on filling the lungs as much as possible with each breath. You're doing great. Last minute. And finish the round that you're on. Return to normal breathing. Sitting with the eyes closed, attention turned inside. Feeling the increased flow of energy throughout your body. Vibrations of prana. Feeling light as we've removed any heavy and stagnant energies. Beautiful work today. You've completed another power up session. I hope you're feeling energized, vital. Let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. Like the video if you enjoyed the practice. Make sure you subscribe because I've got a whole playlist full of more quick 5-minute power up sessions. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.